Episode 9, moving day. Ozzy is a nervous wreck. I think, but not as bad as Mindy. I'm going to do a quick run through. So, the room is all empty. Whoa, who just got sick? This is the quickie. Look at that. Woo! They're doing it. These guys are really fast. They're here 4 hours. Here, I'll show the truck. There's the truck. Blocking all our neighbors' driveways. But I put notes on their doors to let us know. Nobody would answer their doors, so I don't know if it's bothering them. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Let's do a quick downstairs. Putting the TV in a box.
If you're filming, you're going way too fast for anyone to care about watching.
Oh, and
this is episode 9. Let's go see the truck. Looking good. Garage is getting emptied. Let's go look in the inside. We're gonna do episode 9.
Alright, that's ready. Are these theirs?
that, believe it or not, was I must have
Got
been
our
in the
TV box.
This was for a smaller TV.
Well, that's gone.
It's not our size.
Kitchen is looking a little rough,
It's trash.
but it's a work in progress.
Alright,
Wow.
Say hi, Ozzy.
I'm not happy, Hannah, at all.
All right. We will report back later. I think that's it.
Peace out. Moving day continues.
I forgot to ask you over there because he didn't tell us the exact location of drop off and the time on Tuesday that it needed to be dropped off at, and I just wanted to double check what.
It's filling up. These guys are doing a real nice job.
Joey, yeah, because he didn't ask me for anything.
Whoop. These guys are really good. It's emptying out.
By the hour. Just enter your zip. The best kind of
Episode 9.
$120. Yeah.
And the house. Say hi, Hannah.
Cheers. Hello.
The house is empty. Well, no, it's not empty, but
Kitchen's still a little rough.
the kitchen is still a little rough, but pretty much everything else is done. Yeah, the kitchen still has tons of stuff that we'll box up and take with us, and then we have more room when we come back for the wedding, and we have my car and Mindy's car, so we'll load that stuff up. But the movers, our muscle just left, and this is the leftovers. Oh. Shoot, we have my bike.
Put that in my car. Oh, wait, you said you could get it in your car.
I can take the wheels off. Anyway, you've all seen this before. It's pretty boring. So, anyway, we are done with the movers. We're gonna pack today, and tomorrow. We don't have to leave here until Monday. We can drive Monday, we can unload Tuesday, and we have to have the truck back by 9:30 on Wednesday. So that's what we're gonna do. Hannah, we're actually going to a showing tonight of a place in Schwanksville that Hannah's looking at. And so yeah, we're just taking a break. We're tired.
Wow.
We're done.
I do, so.
See ya.